Dear brothers and sisters, today we have a memorial or a saint, Saint Rose of Lima. Her life is very inspiring. The two things I see in her life: a person who gave her life totally to God. She was a very beautiful young lady, and there were proposals for her for marriage. To keep all this away, she began to disfigure in a way her face by applying pepper and salt so that men keep away from her. And the whole purpose of life was, she said, my life for God and for the people. So she made for herself a room in the house, a small hut, where she could spend her life totally to God, and to God and through God to the people she served. What was within her heart, the God, she gave it to others in service. And today you find in the gospel passage that we heard, we are quite alarmed at what Jesus is saying to the scribes and Pharisees. Now these are leaders of the place, and yet he has a dig at them. Mainly because Jesus found so-called a dichotomy between what they see and what they do. Their whole purpose is showing off what they are. But the whole purpose got defeated because they were only so-called showing off people. Their heart was not so-called clean. What they did outside was to get people's appreciation, people's praise, and so on. And so the Lord is telling us today, let there be so-called correlation between what is inside and what you do outside. Not a dichotomy, that what is inside come out publicly before the people, and do not expect in return anything. Just give and give without counting the cost. We pray for the grace today that our interior life may manifest outside, just like the life of Saint Rose of Lima.